My first impressions of using the African Net Sponge, which refreshes and exfoliates. I'm surprised I didn't ever hear about this before. Guess I never really paid attention because usually I just use like a scrubber that goes into the hand, or maybe just a glove that's a scrubber that goes on the hand. And of course, I always have to replace those very often. So I heard about the African uh, net sponge, and I would say for a beginner, they might feel a little too rough for some people, but it was just right for me. I mean, I still felt it was a little. At first, it is a bit rough, but the depending on the soap that you use can really add to the softness, and also learn that you don't have to actually scrub as hard. Um, you can take a very light touch just to scrub your body, scrub your back, especially if you have a big back like I do. It stretches out very wide, but usually, like if you want a really tight scrub, you pull on both sides very hard. But if you just want a very light kind of scrub, you just lightly try not to stretch it too tight from one end to the other. So I would say after the first time I used it, it felt a little rough, but it's to be expected. You can, let's see if we can get a close look here. You see these little tiny knots that are in all these nets. It's a nylon net. You can see here. Yeah, I think after the first time you use it starts to soften up a little bit. Not as harsh as the first time you use it. I am using a handmade soap, and that's what I use. But I heard there's other things that work well, body washes that work really well with this one. But yeah, I would say if you are a beginner, try not to rub too hard. First, wet it, and you know, just to clean a little bit, one little soap, and then not scrub as hard. But the thing I do enjoy so much is that my skin feels really soft. It feels like the softness can last all day and the next day. But again, I guess it really depends on how sensitive your skin is. I feel like I have sensitive skin. I felt like I do. Maybe I don't. So I have to be just very soft with it. But I feel like it just really instantly feel the softness of the net after it's being used. And of course, it comes in a 2 pack, and this one here has a brown one that I haven't used yet. I just keep it in the bag here, and I just hang this up in the shower. And make sure when you're finished with it, really rinse it out, squeeze out the water, let it dry, hang dry, and it's good to go right now. I can already feel like it just already feels soft, even though it's dried up right now. It's softer. Uh, it's not as what do you call it? I guess as as rough as it was when I first started using it. So I already used it about 3 times already, and I really enjoy it. I know this is gonna last a long time.